Hi, I'm Arthur.
And I'm Duuk.
And today we are at
MopFest.
Yeah.
And yeah, we're gonna do some fun stuff.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
We have a selection of mopeds with us, and yeah, the Buggy also, and we have a dirt track here we can ride.
Yeah.
You're gonna ride in probably 10 minutes, so
Yeah.
you must get dressed. And yeah, what else? Yeah, there are a lot of great stands, and we're gonna film. Yeah, film a couple of the stands and things to do. So yeah, we're just gonna have a fun day out and yeah, enjoy ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, now you get ready to ride.
Yeah.
Duuk is gonna ride his XR100, and we have a selection of our bikes with us for show and to sell. Can't keep them all. And of course the Buggy. So it's gonna be a fun day. Are you ready?
Yeah.
You're gonna have a lot of fun, I think.
Yeah.
Is having a wonderful day. Here he comes. Where else can you ride on a dirt track like this? MopFest. Are you tired? But you look happy. And sweaty. Did you see you passed Thomas from Hessenloos 2 times?
3.
Oh, on the
Oh, no, 2. Yeah.
on the moped.
Yeah. Easy.
Ja, dat snap ik. Ja, maar zolang die gast van de weiland niks zegt, kan dat wel. Ja. Ja, maar volgens mij mag dat wel. Dus
zo'n goede kleur is.
Jawel joh, mensen kopen dat.
Okay, end of the day, MopFest.
Yeah.
We're totally baked to the sun, and
Yeah.
but we had a wonderful day.
Yeah.
Duuk.
I can tell that the Buggy had a less wonderful day.
Yeah. Duuk broke the buggy.
No.
He it's not too bad. The mount for the exhaust have broken off,
And the cap of the air filters.
and the cap of the air filters fell off, but it's still running. So
Yeah. And my dirt bike is broken too because it has a flat rear tire.
yeah, flat rear tire. But you drove like I think
lot.
almost 2.5 or 3 hours.
Yeah.
There was an amazing track you can ride here all along, and
I did a race there.
Yeah.
You can show a video.
I will show you them
Yeah.
in this video.
Yeah. You show them in the video. And yeah, I did not fall. 4 times almost.
Yeah. I think I had it on film, but
Yeah. I lost grip and then got grip again.
yeah, that was really awesome.
Yeah.
The buggy rode well.
I drove in the Buggy too.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
drifted it.
Yeah, you,
Tokyo
I said you
drift.
broke it.
No.
Yeah, you was. Yeah, well.
No.
Yeah, you were. It doesn't matter. We have a HPM welder, so we can weld it back on and
Yeah. No, not welded back on. We lost.
the mount.
Yeah.
But hey, if you look at the festival is coming to the end, but there were a lot of mopeds,
Dirt bikes. All the
dirt
stuff.
bikes, yeah, all the stuff, all the good stuff. So we had a wonderful day.
Yeah.
We're gonna pack in, and tomorrow we're gonna be at it's not mopeds, Mop Fest. Tomorrow it's gonna be Forst of Wielen. It's an old-timing event, so more cars. We're also gonna be there, but hey,
Yeah.
we're it's probably a different setting, but I think we're gonna film.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for that video. For now, we are done.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye bye.
Bye.